How are you guys doing? It's Catcher.Doom. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your 13 by 19 positives and turning it into a jumbo print. But what I mean, if you see right here, I'm using 2 positive films and I turned my design into a jumbo print. We will be using Photoshop for our design, but mainly using Illustrator to set up our page. So first off, we're going to want to create a gray rectangle. You're probably asking why. Well, I'm going to use the rectangle to help us dictate the size of our squeegee. For example, my squeegee size is 17 inches and I want the width to be almost the same but a lower value. For example, the width on this is 16.7. The gray square is going to help us keep our precise alignment and size of within our squeegee. So once you're ready, have your registration marks, export everything out, but make sure you turn off the gray layer and you should be done. You should be left with a PDF. So you should be exporting that Photoshop file into PDF. Make sure you're maximizing the quality on that. Hop into Illustrator. You're going to want to have a canvas size of 13 by 19. Make sure you have 2 of them and duplicate it. I'm going to create a square within the 13 by 19. Cool. Next, go to Object, Path, Offset Path. My printer does not print very good at borderless, so I'm going to keep it like that. Exit out. Click on the outside. Delete it. And you should be left with a nice little rectangle inside. And obviously you're going to want to duplicate it. Have it on the other side. Change the color. And cool. You're all set from there. Next, grab these 2. Drag them up. Put them together into a sandwich. Nice. Now upload your design, your PDF. Make sure you don't resize it or alter it. Cool. We want to flip that. Now you're going to want to send the design all the way to the back. After that, you're going to want to go to Edit, Copy, Paste in front. Now you should have a duplicate. You see if you can drag it. Oh, you do have a duplicate now. Okay, so next thing, you're going to want to grab the light orange and grab one of the pages of the PDF and press Command 7, or you can go to Object, Clip Masks, do the same thing for the other one. Dark orange, page in the back, Command 7. Cool. And you should be done from there. Now drag one of your pages to your 13 by 19 page and drag the other one and just align them. Cool. Then you're basically finished. You got your whole design ready for a 13 by 19 jumbo print. But you're obviously using 2 horizontal, not vertical. So it's going to look something like this when you print them out. It's going to be a huge design, which I'll show you once again. And usually how I line these up is I will tape one of the pages down and make sure I start aligning the rest. Let's start taping them up. And I usually don't tape them up in the what do you call it? The front side. I tape them up in the back with a little bit of tape on the side over here. But yeah, that's overall how you do it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.